Hi guys, welcome to Food Fantasy World. Today we are making chicken mozzarella sticks. 2 to 3 slices of bread for breadcrumbs. Boneless chicken 300 grams. Salt as per taste. Garlic powder 2 tablespoon, pepper powder 2 tablespoon, breadcrumbs 2 tablespoon. Make fine paste. For making shapes, apply oil to hand. Make any shapes I am using with the help of cover. Mozzarella cheese. Dip chicken sticks in breadcrumbs. Repeat the process. Refrigerate for 1 hour. You guys can freeze up to 3 months in refrigerator. I am using air fryer. You guys can use on direct flame as well. Yummy cheesy chicken sticks ready to eat. Good for iftari parties. If you guys like my videos, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See ya. Bye.